Hey everybody, June 29th, 2023. We are about 2 hours away from the Derecho hitting here in Indy. Show you guys a look of what's growing on. Raven. We are super behind in our planting, but we got it going. Quick look at the sky. We've got 80-mile-an-hour winds coming, and you can see the clouds are moving west to east. But then I noticed like this cloud here is going backwards. So it's definitely got some odd stuff coming. Should be a fun night. And there's Raven. Shadow. Bella's hanging out. Jade's coming. Show you guys some more of the stuff. June 29th. Daylilies. Blooming. You can always deadhead them. Just means take this spent bloom off. Focuses the energy. Here are hummingbirds. We have some really cool wild lettuce starting to get its powdery mildew. Lilies, pink ones blooming. I don't know if those are going to bloom this year. These have not bloomed yet. Those are white. Daylilies looking pretty cool. Severe weather is going to suck. See if we can find any hummingbirds. There she is. Did you see it? Right there. I need to fill that one up, but the other ones are filled up, guys. Come on. We're going to get some rain, so I've not filled them. Got it. 2 of them filled. That one's empty. No way. No way that emptied so fast. Anyway. Birds are out. Look at that cloud. See how that cloud's moving to the north? Our air's going that way. These really bad storms are going that way. That's undercut. It'll be pretty. Holy shit. Yeah. Phone started going off. Look at that. I don't think that's gonna hit us. That is some nasty stuff, man. Ooh. Ooh, ooh. Yeah. Shadow! Come on! Raven! BB! Come on. Ooh. Come on! Kitty, 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 kitty! Ah. Let's go in. 4 o'clock. Storm's kind of passed. We have no power. And we have at least one giant old tree down. Fun. Not going out yet. 4:01. I've not been outside yet, but there's definitely branches down, and there's a car outside moving some stuff across the road. I'm assuming there's branches down in the road too, which makes sense why we have no power. But Raven, it's all right, Betty. We're okay. We're okay. Alright, 8 o'clock now at night. I'll show you the tree we lost. Missed the garden, missed the garage. But I got that tree right there. Still no power. And we have lots of debris. Down. And there is a, yeah, like we were just in here. Just walking about. Oh, my flower. Oh. Oh, she fell over. Put her right there. Oh! Bum. Dang. Dang, dang. Oh! Yeah. So, it's a little bit of stuff to pick up. Black butterfly. My daylilies. Storm damage everywhere. Nature still survives. Thanks for watching.